everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day. And sorry I haven't been posting like in a week. I told you guys I was gonna vlog every Sunday and Wednesday, and I didn't vlog Wednesday. But I'm back here today, and I wasn't planning on vlogging, but so we're vlogging today. And if you guys haven't already subscribed and turned on post notifications, go ahead and do so, and comment down like when you're done. And I'll give you guys a shout out on my next video. So yeah, I filmed this morning, and then I was just like, I'm not gonna vlog, but I was like, no, I'm gonna vlog because I told you guys I was gonna vlog. So here's some of those clips from earlier. Let's get right into the video. Home, now back to Best Buy.